These NEKOPA heated gloves in size large warm up very quickly, spreading heat across the back of the hand and into each finger so they stay comfortable even in harsh winter conditions. The rechargeable battery system offers multiple heat levels that are easy to control with a single button, and the built-in indicator helps you avoid being surprised by a drained battery. As a liner-style glove, they are slim enough to wear on their own or under bulkier shells, which is especially useful for people dealing with arthritis, Raynaud's, or chronically cold hands. Touchscreen-ready fingertips on both hands make it possible to use a phone, tablet, or vehicle display without pulling the gloves off in the cold. The combination of grippy palm material, reflective accents, wind-resistant outer fabric, and snug adjustable cuffs makes them practical for activities like skiing, cycling, or shoveling snow. They are machine washable with the included wash bag once the batteries are removed, which makes them easier to keep clean than many other heated gloves.